Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between exchanges. Today, we're tackling a common task: transferring BNB from Exmo to Binance. This step-by-step guide is designed to be simple and straightforward, so even if you're new to this, you'll be transferring like a pro in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Binance and that you have some BNB in your Exmo wallet. Security is key, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled on both platforms to protect your funds. Let's jump right in with step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section and find your BNB balance. Click on it to access the withdrawal options. Now, for step 2, select the Withdraw button next to BNB. You'll need to choose the right network. Stick with BNB Smart Chain or the one specified for your Binance wallet to avoid any issues. Fees can vary, so keep an eye on that to minimize costs. Step 3 is crucial. Enter your Binance wallet address. You can find this by logging into Binance, going to your wallet, and copying the deposit address for BNB. Double-check this address. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Paste it into the withdrawal form on Exmo. Add the amount you want to transfer. Make sure it's above any minimum limits, and review the details. Hit Confirm to proceed with the transaction. You'll likely need to verify this through email or your authenticator app. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion, but keep an eye on your Exmo transaction history. Finally, once it's done, head back to Binance and check your wallet to confirm the BNB has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember, always stay vigilant against scams and use reputable exchanges. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. See you in the next video.